Hello everyone. Today we are gonna learn about how to reverse a string using left and right pointer method in Java. So let's get started with let's see an image and let's understand how this left and right pointer gonna work. Let's say we have a left pointer to the left end, and right pointer to the right end of an string, and we are going to increment the left pointer plus 1 and the right pointer minus 1, as well as before doing this we're going to swap the left and the right pointer whatever it contains, like here I and n. So we are going to swap I and n, and then we increment the left and then we decrement the right. In similar fashion, we are going to do till the left and the right will become a swap, like here the left is here and the right is here. So till the left is less than r, we're going to swap the array, like array elements, like we have n over here and o over here. So let's get started to write a code for it. It is a new version of IntelliJ IDEA 2023. It's newly updated IntelliJ IDEA. So let's write a string data type like a variable, and then we say reverse string like computer science and geeks. Store a reverse of a string in a variable and call a function, like say function name will be reverse of string. Reverse of a string, we're going to pass a reverse there, and then we're going to print system dot out dot println or print. It's defined. So reverse string, let's create a method for it. If you don't know how to create it, go and control press, you press print and alt and enter you press, it will automatically create this function. And then let's say we have a left and right pointer as length left equals to 0 and the right is equals to reverse dot length minus 1, because we want the last index of the string, and then we want to swap it till the left will be less than the right. If it's we want to swap till the left will become the right, left will be less than the right. Before this we need to convert this string into a character array, right? So what is the function to convert the string into a character array? Let's say we define a character array with chars, say chars, and then we say a string, that is a reverse, we have passed reverse dot to character array. We convert the given string into a character array. After converting the string into a character array, we need to store somewhere, right? We need to store the left element somewhere. So chars of left, leftmost element we're gonna swap with the rightmost element. So we're gonna store the left element in the temporary variable, and then chars of left will become the right. How we're just swapping over here, right? Then the chars of left right will become left, and then we increment the left plus plus and the right minus minus. After all these things, not left here, we are stored in the temporary variable, right? So we're gonna say that to have temp. After this, we are going to return a string, a new string object. This chars the updated one, that is reverse of a string. So let's see this function will work fine or not. Let's see here, it's showing us some warnings. Let's say it's 0 and the string length will become we will count length of a string, and then or we are doing minus 1, because it will be less than the minus one, that is it will give the length of the array from the 1 to till the length of the array. So we'll be considering the length as 0 from the like, character array will start from 0, right? So we are doing minus 1 over here. It will be right, it is very easy to understand. Just see once and let's see it is will working fine or not. So new version is awesome. It's looking nice, like nice GUI. See, the string has been like reversed. It's a very easy program. So just understand, and I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you.